Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and connect your eufy L60 robot vacuum cleaner with the eufy Clean app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in the L60, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's open up the eufy Clean app. Once you sign in or create your profile, you'll be at this screen where we can view any connected eufy devices. You most likely won't have anything here. We have an offline vacuum connected. So we want to add our L60. In the top right-hand corner, we have a plus icon. And look at this, it automatically found our vacuum. We do have it plugged in and charging here, so we can connect it that way, or we can browse from that list and select our model. So in this case, we're going to go ahead, select connect right here. And now it's going to load for us. Takes us to this screen where we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. So go ahead, connect to your network and select next. Now it's working on connecting.
Connecting Wi-Fi.
We got a voice prompt letting us know it's connecting the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connection successful.
Just got another voice prompt, Wi-Fi connection successful. And then it exits us back out to this screen where we swipe over, we can view all of our devices. And currently there's our robot vac. It's in the process of updating right now. We can select enter and it's walking us through that firmware update. It did that automatically after it was connected. No prompts or anything from me. Let's go ahead, let's toggle on auto upgrade though. And we'll wait for the firmware update to finish. All right, the firmware update finished, and now we have another update that it's going through right now. And you'll currently see the progress there again on the screen, or we can enter in and see the progress again. All right, so the second firmware update's complete. It took us like a minute to set everything up, and then probably 4 or 5 minutes to get all the firmware updated. Now we can enter in, and it's time to start using our L60. The first thing you'll want to do is create a map and then enjoy the app.